Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. We are back once again. It is Monday and we're starting off taking a look at SPY here. Real quick, if you guys are looking for a new crypto exchange, look no further than Fairdesk. They're a new partner of the channel. I think they're pretty solid. Super transparent, super secure. You can see all of their certifications and open source code and all those things right here on the website. They do futures, crypto, they even do some copy trading, so they got a lot of cool little things going on over here, so make sure to check them out. Link is in the description. So SPY is starting to lose a little bit of steam here. The trend is definitely still up though, so I'm not too worried. It may even come back down and test this support once again, all the way back down here, but nothing to be too concerned about there. Bitcoin's having a real nice move up, and I think this could be the next big pump here, potentially. We'll have to see how this hourly candle closes, of course, but let's crack these highs here that is struggling to break this low resistance zone. So I may even look at taking a long right here on the retest if it does come back down. I feel like that could be a little risky though, because this zone isn't too well established historically, but more recently it's been a very oppressive resistance zone, so it could act as a source of support here in the near future, but we'll wait and see. I'm not quite ready to make that call yet. USD CHF had a nice break retest, tested once again, and now it's dumping down, descending nice and smoothly into our profit target. So we're getting real close to it. It just needs to go a little bit further there. EuroCAD had a short here. It was looking like it was starting to get rejected, but it was moving upward and finally had a pretty big break in the wrong direction, unfortunately. So I'll have to see if that can find some rejection, and it's still in this major 4-hour zone here, so we got some time to see if it'll reject here. But yeah, moving on. GBP USD just broke this high resistance zone, and I've got a trade ready for the retest if it does come back. It's looking like it's in a pretty strong uptrend right now, so that's looking pretty good for us. AUD missed its entry. I'm going to hold on to this one, hope it comes back. Euro CHF has not got to the entry quite yet, but it's still moving in that direction, so we'll be holding on to that. NZD CAD, still holding on to this one. Hopefully we'll find a rejection here on this third test. I think hopefully that's enough to finally reject and start heading down towards my profit target there. NZD CHF, waiting for this one to come down and retest the support. USD CAD, I'm in this long on the 4-hour zone, but it's barely hanging on with its fingernails there, trying to find the buying momentum to bounce out of here. So hopefully that comes, but yeah, that steep drop is kind of scary there. Euro NZD, I've been in this one forever now, entered way back at the beginning of June, so over a month now. It's just nuts. Time flies. Euro NZD, hopefully it finds the momentum to hit my profit target this time. I think it will. This uptrend's pretty strong, so hopefully we'll get there. Gold kind of dancing around in this rangy area. It's kind of playing, it always kind of it's the yin to SPY's yang. It's always kind of playing around with it. So if SPY continues to go up, that we'll hopefully see gold continue downwards. GBP CHF This one's been ranging as well. It is in profits as of now, and it's heading in the downwards direction, so I just need to have enough momentum to break these support zones that have been propping it up for some time now. GBP/NZD almost hit my target. I almost wish I did a tighter stop, and I may look at doing that in the future. If my trade rejects well before my stop, I might move my stop up a little closer so I can exit in profits a little easier, but that may also mess with my lot size calculation and everything and my profitability, so like that's why I haven't been really doing that yet. So yeah, I just don't like messing with trades too much after I've already entered them, because my system and profitability will be affected if I do. NZD/USD, keep holding out hope for this one to finally return to this resistance zone that's worked so well in the past for me. AUD/NZD, nice little winner here. Just a simple break and retest and fell right into profits. We may be looking at another opportunity here soon, although I don't know if I'd consider these breaks quite yet, and I probably want to see something on the 4-hour happen before that. I may have already considered a break and retest right there, so I'll still want to see it break a little further down before coming back for a retest if I were to take on that trade. But yeah, GBP CAD, pretty explosive over here. This wasn't my exact trade. I'm always on the 1.25 risk to reward, but yeah, nice move upwards, perfect bounce to the support, and yeah, probably could take a look at having a long here, although I feel like this may have already been its retest right here, so might have missed out on that one. We'll see if it breaks this high here, and maybe we can look at a another break and retest if it continues upward. Yeah, man, GBP, I just noticed it's kind of exploding all over, isn't it? So GBP/USD cracking new highs, so it's looking pretty good. Year GBP, nice short here, and yeah, since this is reverse year GBP and it's moving downwards, I'm just showing you the pound is pretty strong right now. But yeah, it's moving downwards, kind of getting caught up at this little support zone here, but I did exit in profits, so happy about that. We'll see if it continues to break down. Maybe we could get in another break and retest here on a short if that does happen. NZD/JPY, JPY has kind of topped out, seems like, for the time being, and is on its way down. So I've been taking a few shorts. I'm not sure why I had this. Let me zoom on the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, so the 1 hour, I don't know why I have this one marked, but if we go to Euro JPY, you can see a nice break and retest, and continues to dump down. AUD/JPY, same thing, but this one is 1.25 as well. So it continues to make lower lows, higher lows. So I'm in a short mode for all these JPY pairs. CHF/JPY. Thought this could be a potential short if it does come and test this resistance zone. Not in any other JPY pairings as of now, so I'd be okay doing that. Wouldn't be too worried about overexposure there, so something like that. It's kind of already come back, and it's seeing if it'll reject. It's kind of tested these lows as resistance, but yeah, I'd like to see it come back a little further. I think to enter into my trade, and then cat CHF. I did have this trade set up, obviously didn't work out. I'm gonna see if it can break this support zone here, and if it'll continue to dump down from there, I'll look at another break and retest. So yeah, that's all we got for today. Make sure to leave a comment what you guys have been trading. Hit